Hello everyone, today's my topic is the introduction of clinical data management. So, clinical data management is the process of collecting, organizing, analyzing data from clinical trials. The goal of CDM is to ensure that the data is accurate, complete and reliable. CDM is important for evaluating the safety and effectiveness of new treatments. So, why does CDM do? Collects data from clinical trials, ensures data quality and integrity, ensures compliance with regulations, keep stakeholders informed, and helps evaluate the safety and effectiveness of new treatments. What are the activities involved in CDM? So, creating a data management plan, setting up the study, training staff, collecting data, processing data, monitoring data safety, creating an audit image, closing the database. What tools are used in CDM? Case report forms, data collection tools that can be paper or electronic. Medical coding helps classify and identify medical terms. Medical dictionaries, online resources that help categorize events. CDM is a critical phase in medical research that helps ensure the quality of data used in analytics. The life science industry is one of the most rigorously regulated sectors globally, prioritizing patient safety during clinical trials and post-marketing phases. All trials must comply with country-specific regulations set by regulatory bodies. When relying on clinical research to introduce new products to the market, adhering to regulations like Good Laboratory Practice (GLP), Good Clinical Practice (GCP), and CFR Part 11 is mandatory. Clinical data encompassing information for developing and maintaining software systems, databases, processes, and protocols is crucial for these studies. Clinical data management ensures data integrity throughout the research, making sure data sets are accurate, secure, reliable, and ready for analysis by using a systematic process. The CDM team are responsible for collecting, entering, cleaning, and processing information gathered during a clinical research project and ensure the accuracy, completeness, and consistency of the clinical trial data adhering to regulatory standards and guidelines. The main goal of CDM to ensure the validity and reliability of the data, so it is ready for regulatory submission and subsequent analysis. It serves as the backbone for producing high-quality, statistically sound results that inform medical decisions and regulatory approvals. Regulatory compliance is a fundamental aspect of CDM, ensuring that all the collected data adheres to stringent regulatory standards and guidelines set by authorities such as the FDA and EMA. By maintaining records and implementing robust validation process, CDM guarantees that the data adheres to regulatory requirements to not only facilitate the approval process for new treatments and interventions, but to also uphold to integrity of the research. The emphasis on data quality is paramount as it directly impacts the credibility of research outcomes. High quality data ensures that the results of clinical trials are statistically sound and dependable, forming a solid foundation for medical decision and ultimately advancing patient care. It summarizes the purpose of clinical data management is to ensure data quality and integrity, compliance with regulatory standards, data collection and management, facilitating accurate analysis and reporting. The data manager will manage the clinical data collection, processing, and analysis. The clinical data manager works closely with clinical research team members, including clinical research associates, medical monitors, pharmacovigilance, and biostatisticians, to ensure that all aspects of the data management process are executed efficiently and accurately. Here are the main activities of clinical data management plan, data design to set up data capture, data validation, discrepancy management, medical coding, database lock. Essential skills for effective clinical data management: technical proficiency, analytical attention to detail, regulatory and compliance knowledge, project management skill, quality control, and ethical and confidentiality awareness. So this is all about the clinical data management. Thank you.